Hi, Arizona lawyer Julie LaBenz here, and I wanted to answer a common question that I receive as a divorce lawyer, which is, can I alter my estate plan during my divorce? And the answer to that question is yes. Pursuant to Arizona law, you can alter your estate plan. In other words, you can revoke a trust, you can create a new will, you can name new beneficiaries. You can do that during your divorce. However, even though you have the ability to do that, you may run into a couple of roadblocks, depending on the type of estate plan you have and depending on your spouse's position regarding the estate plan, if you have a joint plan. So let's talk about that. If, for example, you've got a trust, you and your spouse have a joint trust, you've put property into it, and you want to, what we call revoke, you want to cancel that trust so that you can create either a new trust for you or just do a will-based plan, that likely, depending on the terms of your trust, so you need to read through your trust, will require your spouse's signature. In other words, your co-settlor, your co-trustee, your co-trustor, your spouse who has this trust with you, they would have to sign off on a revocation document revoking the trust. They may be interested in doing that if they too want to change their estate plan, or they could refuse depending on your situation. If they do refuse, you would likely want to consult with an attorney at that point to see exactly what options you may have for your individual situation. Another area of estate planning where you may run into some roadblocks if you're facing a divorce is that if you have a retirement account, the retirement account administrator may require your spouse's signature in order to allow you to change your beneficiary designation. So if you've got a retirement account and you've named your spouse as the beneficiary of that account, and you call up the retirement account administrator and you say, hey, I want to change my beneficiary from my wife to my daughter from a prior marriage. The account administrator may say, okay, well, I'll send you via email a form for your spouse to sign saying that they agree to that and that they want to be removed as your beneficiary. Oftentimes, a spouse, even during a divorce, won't agree to that. So you'd have to wait until the divorce was final, and then you could show the account administrator your divorce decree, and then they'd let you change the beneficiary at that time. Otherwise, you're going to have to get your spouse's consent to make that type of change. You'll need to see what is required under your account. So don't just assume that that's the case under your account. You'll want to call the account administrator and see what your options are. I'm Arizona lawyer Julie LaBenz. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. If you want to change your estate plan during your divorce, you can do that. I'd suggest that you contact an attorney, however, because that can get complicated. Thanks so much for watching.